Hey everyone, it's Amy, and today I'll be showing you how to do this pretty floral stamping design. And so I have a new set of nails on. I chopped off my long nails. I'm going with short little nails. I feel very weird without my long nails, but I was kind of tired of them. And then here is my inspiration for these nails. It is this shirt that I own. It's navy, it has these really pretty roses and flowers on it. And so I'm actually going to use this as my inspiration for my nails. I feel like this is a very Talia inspired nail set. But the first color we're going to start off with is Madame Glam's Navy Blue. It is a navy blue shade. And I'm going to paint this on my ring finger and my thumb. Next, I'm going to go in with Light Elegance's Talk Dirt to Me from their new spring collection. This is a nice off-white, creamy color. And I'm going to paint this on the rest of my nails. And I'm going to go ahead and do a second coat of all of the nails. Except on my pinky, I'm going to use Light Elegance's Oopsie Daisy, which is kind of like a white gold silverish glitter. I'm going to put this all over my pinky. So here is what the color scheme is looking like, and so now let's get into the stamping. I do remove the tacky layer off of the two nails I'm going to be stamping on, so my pointer and my middle finger. And a little bit of information on what I use for stamping. I use the clear jelly stamper Big Bling stamper. It has this giant rubbery head on it, and it's clear so you could see through it. My favorite scraping card has been this Young Nails card that I got with one of their plates. And then these are going to be the two plates I'm going to use today. So I'm going to use the smaller one, and I'm actually going to take the leaf images off of this one. I will go ahead and insert the name as well as the number here on the screen so you know what this plate is. And this is a layered stamping image, so I will need 3 colors for the leaves. So this is the 3 colors I picked out that kind of match the shirt. So the first color I'm going to put down is Sally Hansen's Blue Away. We're going to use this for the big image. And then for the second part of the leaf, I'm going to use Irish Luck, which is a nice, like, medium green color. And then for the last part of the stamping, to add some highlights, we're going to use this sea green, which is a nice off-white, kind of light mint color. And so I'll just go ahead and repeat and put some more leaves on my nails. And I do want to say that in this video, you're watching me do this hand, and I had already done my other hand first off camera, and I practiced, and it took me a long time to figure out which colors I wanted to use, as well as the placement and how I was going to put them on the nails. So in this video, it looks like I'm just choosing it, placing it down. Oh, it comes out really nice. I actually practiced on my other hand. I didn't film that process, but it did take a couple tries to figure out placement as well as color. So just letting you guys know, stamping does take time. And now for the flowers, I'm going to take this larger stamping plate. This is actually a collaboration with Talia's Nail Tails. This is from Clear Jelly Stamper. The little one was also Clear Jelly Stamper as well. I don't think I mentioned that. But this one is Rose's Floral Garden. And then same thing as a leaf, this is a layered stamping image. So these are the 3 colors I'm going to use for the flowers. The first one is Cotton Candy. It's kind of this bright bubblegum pink color. And the next shade we're going to use for the flowers is Razzmatazz. This is a brighter reddish pink shade. And then for the highlights of the flowers, I'll be using the white color. And you will see for the stamping of the flower on my pointer finger that it does overlap with the leaves a little bit. And I'm not using the specific clear jelly stamping polishes that are super high pigmented. I'm just using my Sally Hansen Insta Dries, which work pretty well for me. But in a case like this, it does show the leaves underneath. So I figured this out when I did my other hand. So I place the first image down, then I go in and with a brush and some acetone, I take off that image as well as the parts of the leaves that kind of poke through too. Then I go in and re-stamp the image on top of the clean workspace. And I felt like that worked pretty well for me. And so here's how my nails are looking. They're looking super cute. I do want to show you my desk after stamping, and I feel like this is with everyone. Stamping just creates a disaster on your desk, and you have polish and paper towels and colors just everywhere. So this is a little look at how my desk looks after stamping before I cleaned it all up. And now I decided I didn't want any bling on these nails. I just wanted to keep them kind of plain and simple with the design. So I'm going to go in with top coat. I will be using my Light Elegance's Super Shiny. And after the first layer of top coat is cured, I do go in and do a second layer of top coat on top of the stamping nails, just to make sure it is all sealed in. And so here is how my nails came out. I feel like they came out super cute, and you can see I did change the placement on my other hand. I just like to do that. I don't like my nails to be exactly matching. I like to change it up a little bit, but I feel like they came out super cute. They're a perfect transition, I think, from a winter to spring nail design, because we still have that dark navy blue, which is more of a winter color, but we have the accents of the brighter florals. I feel like this time of year where we're kind of transitioning, it is a really nice color palette. And I had a lot of fun using my shirt to match my nails. I normally only take inspiration from other nail artists, and this time I actually chose a clothing item to match, and I feel like they matched pretty well. The images were almost like very spot on, and they look like stamping images from the shirt, which is, I think, what sparked my imagination being like, I should do nails. But I hope you guys enjoyed, and make sure to stay tuned for more nail art tutorials coming up soon. And we'll see you next time. Bye!